You can count on with meteorologist Rob Elvington and the WAAY 31 Storm Tracker Early Warning Radar Network.
And again, we're seeing heavy rain impacting that morning commute. You'll notice I-565 moving along okay at this point, and maybe a little bit slower than usual. Rain on our camera lens as we look east from Toyota Field. But again, on I-565, we are tracking a crash just coming down in the last 15 minutes. It's the one I mentioned at the top of the show, the top of the half hour. And we'll zoom in a little bit closer. Again, this is westbound on I-565. Lane blocked at exit 14, right at Research Park Boulevard. And that's going to slow down folks, of course, because of the crash, but also because of some still steady rainfall moving into the area. You'll notice as we take a wide view, though, of the traffic map, we're not seeing any other big issues this morning, but please just give yourself some extra time. There's likely some debris on the roadway from some of the strong storms from yesterday, and there's likely some ponding. And then we have that next round of storms moving in, and that's just going to pull that visibility down if you drive through that. So that next line quickly racing towards Florence and now just passing over top of Florence. Moulton, you can see that next line quickly moving in, and you'll likely see that here in the next 30 to 45 minutes. We zoom in a little bit closer to Fayetteville, Lincoln County, Tennessee. Still seeing some steady rainfall. Thankfully, not as much cloud-to-ground lightning, but still a few lightning strikes showing up just in the last 15 minutes. And you'll notice that the leading edge of the strongest thunderstorm right now is just moving through parts of north and northwestern Jackson County, just over top of Princeton. Zooming in closer to the high top area, that of course is the high top radar. That is seeing that leading edge moving in. Seeing some winds gusting around 25 to 30 miles per hour, but that's not severe. But with all the heavy rain that we have seen, it could also push over maybe some weakened trees because the ground is saturated right now, and that's why we do have that concern for some additional flooding. Over the next 3 days, we'll gradually start to warm things up, but it's going to take until about Sunday before we get back up to the low 90s, and that's due to the fact that the rain chances will be dropping off by Saturday and Sunday. But look at this. This is over the last 5 to 6 days. Estimated rainfall. A lot of the map has yellow on it. So if you're in the yellows, you're closer to 3 inches of rainfall. And then once you get to the oranges and even the reds, that's closer to 4, 5 inches of rainfall just since last Friday. But you'll also notice closer to Florence, you're getting the pinks and even the blues, 7, 8, 9 inches of rainfall, and even seeing a lot of those pinks showing up closer to Fort Payne, Scottsboro. So it's not going to take much to get some flash flooding here today, tomorrow, and into your Saturday. Creeks and streams will be running high and fast. We could also see some flooding of that area. A look at future radar and satellite. This is lunchtime. Just seeing more clusters of showers and storms moving through, and we'll see that line moving off to the east. By about 2 o'clock this afternoon, you'll notice that a stronger line of storms just clips parts of DeKalb County as it moves to the east into Georgia. A little bit of a lull by the late afternoon hours, so that would be great news. We would have some drier weather, but of course not the lightning and thunderstorms around for the kids heading out from school, and maybe even squeezing in some of the football games this evening, as well as the Trash Pandas game. But right around 7, 8 o'clock, seeing some pop-up showers and storms closer to Gunnersville. So again, a little cautious with some of the football games this evening. Some of this could linger into the overnight hours and into your Friday morning. But watch this. We go into your Friday afternoon. This is 4 o'clock tomorrow. Just look at all the widespread showers and storms. So still remaining very active and busy with that flood threat into your Friday evening. Finally, by Sunday, we're dropping those rain chances to about 30%, high of 91. And then by Monday and Tuesday, about a 20% chance for showers and storms. But look at the highs, 93. There will likely be some spots that make it up to 95, 96. And when you combine it with the humidity, it's going to feel like 105 to 110. So big heat building back in to kick off the new work week.